What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in once again for another fucking video, man. Today we have no hype, no Jordans basically. First things first, give a quick shout out to Saul Lewis and Armour Canada for sending these over. Truly appreciate it. Thank you for always looking out when there's a new release coming up. And always a pleasure to receive a new package from the Under Armour fam. Alright, so with that being said, man, without further ado, let's get right into this, alright? Most of you guys already know what I'm going to be talking about here, since you guys already seen the thumbnail. What I have here is the new signature line of Curry, Stephen Curry. So this is his 7th signature sneakers for his 11th season. The Warriors ain't looking too good right now, man. Not gonna lie, they ain't looking too good. This is the Curry 7s, and these are releasing on November 1st, which is tomorrow, I think, whenever I post this video up, or today, if I release this on November 1st, but yeah. Anyway, these are releasing on November 1st, which is the first colorway. Let's get into the sneakers, man. Well, it comes in an all-white box. I don't know if you guys, my camera's gonna be able to pick this up on the front, but I'll show you guys up top what it looks like. So top of the box, it's some bows with a Curry name on there. Curry, always, man. Boy needs to get my size 10, big. So I want to go in depth to this. I'm just gonna show you guys a little bit of it and give you guys my personal opinion towards this sneaker. So they did really well on this. It does remind me of the old Curry shoes that he had, 3 zeros or whatever it may be, but it has a little bit of that. It's coming out on November 1st, so make sure if you guys are wanting to get a pair of these, check them out. The retail for this is $140, so they did up it a little bit from the Curry 6s, and I'm not mad about that, right? But let's see how they perform on court later on. The look of it, they look great, man. They look really sick. I guess this is the first time they've done a micro G cushion. They did the hover midsole on the top. So the web netting on the top is the hovers. The hover midsole, which is on the top, is separated by this flexible plate, like a spoiler that they have here. And then the bottom part of the cushion is a micro G. And apparently it's supposed to bounce the air on the court and shit. I really like the design of it. The uppers, they have this, the uppers got like this mesh, the hard mesh. It's not really, it doesn't really have any give to it. So I'm gonna be really interested in how these break out on court. But it has a translucent uppers as well that you can see the netting, the mesh netting underneath of it. This top part, I wish they just did a knit upper like the 6s. Like the 6s, they have a little bit more give. Like when you break them in, it's like it stretches a little bit. I wish they would have had that on this. But in terms of sizing, for those of you guys that have tried on that have played in Curry's, have Curry 6s, have the 5s as well. The Curry 6s, they do tend to run a little bit bigger. At least to me, it's like I could have gone down like half a size for the 6s, but these 7s, these are perfect. My toe sits like right just below this little tape on here. I would recommend going through the side, but that really depends on you guys, on who's wearing it. I do recommend trying them on at a store. These are not going to sell out, so most likely you can go ahead and go to a store and try on a pair yourself, right? And on the back of this as well, on the pull tabs, I just noticed this, on the pull tab, they have a wolf, a unicorn, and a butterfly. Not sure if you guys can see that. The wolf is supposed to represent his son, Canon. Unicorn is Riley, and then we have Ryan as the butterfly. So he did it for the 6s. I'm not really sure if he did it on the 5s. On the bottom part of the sole, there is, it says Aisha, Riley, and Ryan. So he did it on the 6s. I'm really excited about all the other colorways that's supposed to be coming out. This, I'm not really sure what this colorway is supposed to mean for stuff. Underrated, the red colorway, I'm not really, it would have been sick if we would have just done like a Davidson colorway, you know, hint. So I'm very excited to see what is up with this new outsole. It looks like it's gonna do well on court, on a clean court, so we'll try this out soon, man. We'll try this out soon. Also, there is a signature on the side right here. Overall, the shoe looks great. I do fuck with this shit a lot. It looks good, like from the top end. That's why when I'm looking down on it, bird's eye view, looks great. All right, that is it, man. I don't wanna make this video way too long. I'm not gonna get into too much details onto the sneakers. I'm just here to unbox and give you guys my personal opinion on these. This could possibly be the best Curry yet. As far as aesthetics, I would rate this a solid 8 out of 10. That's a good solid 8 out of 10, man. Look at that look on that. Slickety Rick. Materials though, I wish that they did a full knit upper. I don't know, man. I feel like it would have been more comfortable at least. Or like, you know what it is? I just didn't like the fact that when I lace these up, this black part tend to like look squished as fuck and it doesn't look appealing. That's the only thing that I would have changed regarding the sneakers itself. The design looks really good, man. They did really well on it. I can't wait. I can't wait to see more colorways. You know, apparently the designer of the Curry 7s, which is Leon Gu, apparently his favorite colorway is coming out on December, Christmas Day. So, hey, I can't wait for that fucking pair to show up. Apparently it's really good, man. It's his favorite colorway to come out for this Curry 7. So I'm very excited for that, man. That is it for today's video, guys. I appreciate all the support. Please do give me a thumbs up if you guys like this video. Also subscribe if you guys are new to the channel. I will try and put out more content for you guys. I know I've been saying that a lot. So please do tune in, and thank you for all the support, man. Thank you Under Armour Canada once again for sending these over. Do appreciate you guys. And whoa. Please do follow my Instagram if you guys haven't already. Let me hit 23K and I will do a fucking giveaway. Hit that follow button right there. And also, make sure you subscribe. Alright, subscribe. So thank you for tuning in once again for another video. With that being said, guys, I'm out. Let's see how many free throws I can make after playing for like a good hour or so, man. My arms are shot.